Cycling is great for your health, your budget, and your planet. Maybe you bike as much as possible, or maybe you've been meaning to get into it. But the reality on the street often makes your ride challenging. We wanted to give riders total confidence on the road by making them visible from every direction. That's why we designed Monkey Lights. We've been making Monkey Lights since 2007. Our lights are known for being incredibly bright, durable, and fun. In 2013, we kickstarted the first video bike wheel, the Monkey Light Pro. Since then, we've talked to thousands of Monkey Light users around the world. They keep telling us just how confident they feel when they ride. Monkey Lights were originally designed to be fun and visible. Now we're ready to take the next step with sleek new designs that are ridiculously easy to use. With our third generation of Monkey Lights, you just ride your bike and they work their magic. All the lights feature our new fully automatic technology. They reliably turn on when you need them, and they securely lock into your spokes. This way, you won't lose your lights, and you'll never forget to turn them on. These third generation lights also feature our new hub-mounted rechargeable battery. The battery lasts for months of normal usage, and it pops out easily to charge from any USB port. Our lights are great for every kind of bike and any type of rider. And now we're able to make them more affordable than ever. So why Monkey Lights? Well, take a look at this. This is how a bike looks, with traditional front and rear lights. Now look at it with Monkey Lights. All of our Monkey Lights are clearly visible from every direction. By illuminating the wheels, the moving light greatly increases visibility, even on a crowded street. The speed and direction of the rider can be seen as well. Monkey Lights light up the road and make every ride more safe and more fun. Our A10 combo is a set of two fully automatic lights. It features a classic look with a bright white light for the front wheel and a red light for the rear wheel. The A15 adds full color LEDs with a button to choose between 8 colors and 5 simple themes. The A10 and A15 are incredibly easy to use. Just get on your bike and ride. Our A30 is for those who want to maximize fun and visibility. It includes 42 full color themes: stars, hearts, lightning, fireballs, flowers, and much more. Our lights are built to last through years of use in all weather conditions, the bumpiest roads, and whatever adventure comes your way.
These new Monkey Lights represent 3 years of improving our products, upgrading our equipment, and rigorous testing. We mold our lights right here in California with a process that we developed ourselves.
Thanks for all your help so far. Your support is critical. It helps us pay for the tooling and materials that we need to bring these products to market.
Help us fulfill our vision of making cycling as safe and fun as possible.